Guys, this is a very big step Apple took with the self-service repair, allowing us to repair our iPhone and Mac at our home. Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and today Apple made a big announcement. Self-service repair program will allow Apple products user to repair their device at their home. And I'm really glad to know about this new service by Apple. This program is for the customer who are comfortable repairing their device with Apple genuine parts and tools. For now, Apple announced this service limited to iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 lineup, and soon will add support for a Mac featuring M1 chip. Does this mean we can repair any damn part of the iPhone or a Mac at home? The answer is no. The initial phase of this program will focus on some common parts like the iPhone display, iPhone battery and camera modules, and soon Apple will add support to some more parts. Basically, Apple will provide the genuine parts, complete toolkit and instruction manual to repair the device at home. As of now, there is no clarity for the charges or any information for the device under warranty. But don't worry, I'll keep an eye on that and will keep you posted for every single update. And to stay updated, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on all the notifications because it's completely free. Apple's Chief Operating Officer Jeff Williams said, "Creating greater access to Apple genuine parts gives our customers even more choice if a repair is needed." In the past 3 years, Apple has nearly doubled the number of service locations with the access to the genuine parts, tools and training, and now we are providing an option for those who wish to complete their own repairs. And I guess this is a great move by Apple. But let me bring some more light to this self-service repair program. This program will be available earlier in 2022, which is also only in the US, starting with the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 lineup for the display, battery and camera modules only. Apple also said that it will expand the list and will add support for additional countries throughout the 2022. There is no comment or a news for the list of countries, but we can hope for the best to support this program very soon in our countries. In my opinion, this self-service repair is for the person who is confident enough to repair their device at home, and for inexperienced people who don't have required skills or repairing for the first time may end up damaging their iPhone or a Mac while repairing. Now I'm excited and definitely want to give this program a try, and I'm sure you too. Do let me know in the comment section down below, and also like this video, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated for everything Apple. Along with that, download our all new iGeeks blog app to enjoy exclusive content about everything Apple. Now allow me to say goodbye. I'm Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.